Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Jadhav and my today's topic is types of medical coding system. Medical coding is system the medical record of patient are converted into a alphanumerical codes. Medical coding system are standardized ways to translate the healthcare service, diagnosis and procedure into the alphanumerical codes. The codes are mainly used for the billing, insurance claims, and analysis, and for the record maintaining. The main types of the medical coding. Medical coding are main types. First, first type of medical coding system are ICD. ICD, the full form of ICD are the International Classification of Diseases. The ICD, International Classification of Diseases, the main purpose of the ICD are to classify the diseases and the health conditions of patient and symptoms of the patient and cause of death of the patient are involved in the international classification of disease in ICD. The current version of ICD are ICD 11, International Classification of Disease 11. The previously used ICD are the ICD 10. The main the use of ICD, the ICD are used for the diagnosis coding, mortality and morbidity statistics, uh, public health reporting, etc. The second second system in medical coding are CPT. The long form of CPT are current procedural terminology. Current procedural terminology are developed by the AMA. AMA stands for the Medical Associate. American Medical Associate. The purpose of the CPT are the main purpose of the CPT, current procedural terminology, codes for the medical, surgical, and diagnostic procedures, and mm, those services are used in the uh, surgery. Uh, the use of the current procedural terminology CPT are for the coding for billing, identify the services which is provided by the healthcare professionals. uh, the CPT are major part of the medical coding. And third system which is used in medical coding are HCPCS. HCPCS, the long form of HCPCS are Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. The Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System are developed by the uh, are developed by the USA, and the purpose for the healthcare common procedural coding system HCPCS are for uh, make uh, make the standardized code for the medical products, supplies, and those services are mm, useful for the diagnosis. Uh, the level for the HCPCS, the first level of HCPCS are level 1. Level 1 are CPT codes, and the level 2 are involve non physician services, equipment, drugs, ambulance, and services. And fourth system in medical coding are diagnosis related group DRG. DRG are also used in a medical coding. The purpose of DRG, uh, DRG, the purpose of DRG are classify the hospital case uh, into the groups uh, to expected to have similar hospital resource use. The DRG diagnosis related group, the use of DRG for determine how much hospitals are paid for patient stay,